Iniwanan ko yung dati kong buhay na akala ko the best na, akala ko nasa rurok na ng tagumpay.
So, paano ka ba nag-start dito Sobras, no, sa ganitong klaseng ginagawa mo? Coaching or life coaching in general?
Sige, siguro no, backtrack tayo. Alam naman to ng karamihan na yung at 35 years old, 52 na ako ngayon, I was at the peak of my career, financial life, but it also was my lowest in my, in my life. So, lahat na ng pwede kong gawin, ginawa ko na, no? Siguro pati spiritista, pinapuntahan ko na, lahat ng mga, yung mga kakaibang, just to get me out of that.
Okay.
And, ang nakatulong lang sa akin na talagang forever akong grateful is to be in a life coaching program